So hello guys, welcome back once again. So as you know guys, I'm already creating tutorials on journaling edits. If you are new to my channel, you can check my playlist of journaling edits. But for now, as you know guys, Snapseed doesn't have lots of font option as well as Picsart 2 doesn't have many options in free version. So today in this tutorial, I'm gonna talk about Phonto app. The reason why I use Phonto app for journaling edit is because it gives you option for unlimited fonts, that too for free. So I will cover this Phonto app and I will also make use of background eraser app in this tutorial. I will tell you later on why. But first let's get started. So now guys, I'm ready on my screen. And now first of all, decide which photo that you want to edit. The reason to this is because you want to get text, right? So first of all, open your gallery and decide which photo that you want to edit. So I will go on to my gallery. So this is the photo that we will edit, and for this photo I will go with like Drive, something like Drive font. So let's minimize and let's jump on to like Phonto app. Let's open Phonto app now. As you can see, I am already on my Phonto app. In Phonto app on top right you can see there is option. Just open it, that is an option, load new image option, and in this you will get like images as well. You can edit directly images as well. But I will not go with image because there is no erase option. So I will not go with image. I will go with like plain image, and I will create any plain image just like solid gray or solid white. We will go with like solid gray and we will click on to use. This will create a solid gray background, square background. And now what I will do, I will show you how you can get text. On top you can see there is a pencil option, and click on to pencil option and just type text. So we will go with like Drive. We have already added text and there is a font option as well. So now as you can see in Phonto, these are my fonts that I've already installed. I will show you in this video how to install as well. But you can see on fonts, there are already lots and lots of fonts. You don't need a lot of fonts, but if you want your own fonts, then you can download as well. But there are lots and lots and lots of option. You can see there are already lots of option in Phonto app. So these are the option, and in my fonts, as you can see on the bottom, in my fonts, these are the fonts that I mostly use. Montserrat, Anton Regular, these are the fonts that I mostly use. I will go with like Montserrat, and this you can see on the add text option, it's already something like this. And click on to the done and you will see this is the Drive text that we got, and we will increase this size. Okay, first of all, in the size option you can increase this size, adjust it in this something like this. See, we have already got our Drive text ready. So now before going on to further, I will show you how you can install the font as well. First of all, let's minimize this once again. I will turn on my Wi-Fi. Okay, now that my Wi-Fi is already connected, we will jump on to like Chrome. And in Chrome, I'm already on 1001 font. There is Google font as well, but we will go with like something. We will download any of the font, whichever font you want, just download it. Click on to download. Let's download this Rockabilly font. Let's click on to download. Once the download is done, we'll go in the notification tab. You can see it's already downloaded. You can open it from here as well as if you are in a Chrome. What we'll do, let's click on to right and we will go on to downloads. And in downloads, we will just click on to rockabilly.zip. After clicking onto it, you will see there will be an option. You can directly click on to open with Phonto. I will go with like always because I've only used Phonto for font. So I will click on to always. And in this, you can see there is an install option in blue. Just click on to install option and it will automatically install the font. You can see installed successfully. And let's click on to OK. Now that our font is installed, you can see it is installed. So now what I will do, I will minimize this once again and we will open Phonto. First of all, let's go with like DRIVE, and after typing Drive, let's see in font option. In font option, you can see this is Rockabilly. You can see on my fonts, Rockabilly is now installed. Just like this, you can see we got our font. So that's how you can get unlimited fonts, and the font you want to use from internet, you can get something like that. But I'm not going with this font. This was just an example. I will go with like Montserrat. extra bold. Let's click on to done, and I will increase this size. Let's increase this size. Let's get into like middle, and there are many options over here as well. Just like the text option is like where you type the text. Okay, the next is font option. You can get the font option, select any font, and the next option is like style option. In style option there are various options, just like color of the text. Just like we will go only with white, you can select any color you want. We will go with like white only. On the bottom you can see there is stroke option as well. You can click onto any color and you will get like stroke option. The alpha is the opacity, the width is the width of the stroke, and X and Y is the position of the stroke. Similarly, you can get shadows as well. First of all, we will turn off stroke. We don't want stroke. Okay. So there is option just like shadow option. There are shadow option as well. You can get shadows some just like this as well. You can see something like this. There are shadows and well. You can get background as well. I don't want shadows first of all. Okay. You can get background as well for the text. You can get spacing as well. Something like this is a letter spacing. This is the line spacing if you are working with like multiple words. So something like this. You can get curvings as well. Okay, you can curve the text as well. And the last is the blend option. Okay. So these are the options that you can get. We will click on to done. We are not going with any of the option. So now that our drive text is now ready, what I will do is like I will extract this image first of all. See on the top there is a download option. Click on to that download option. You can save as JPEG as well as PNG as well. I will go with like JPEG. And yeah, one more thing about Phonto is that you don't get like plain text. That's why I said that I will use background eraser app. Now let's minimize and let's go on to like background eraser. Click on to let's open background eraser and let's load the photo. Let's click on load the photo. So click on to drive, and in drive what I will do, I will just click on to done. After clicking on to it, you can crop it as well, but don't crop, just click on to done. It's not necessary. And in the background eraser, first of all, I will not go in detail about this app. I will make another tutorial about background eraser in a detailed tutorial. But now what I will do is that you can see on the bottom there is an auto color option. Just click on to auto color option and just drag this crosshair to gray area, something like this, and release it. You can see it will automatically erase the gray option. It's very easy, very easy. Just like there is a gray option here, a gray color here as well. Just drag the crosshair and just release it, something like this. And in D as well, just come on to here and just place the crosshair on the gray color and just release. As you can see, it's very easy, and the background is now removed and we got our transparent background right now. So now what I will do, let's click on to done and we will extract this image as well. You can see after clicking on to the done, you will get smooth option, something like this. I will go with like 3, something like this. It will smooth out the edges. I will go with like 3 and I will save it. So now that guys, we are ready with our text. Now we will go on to Picsart and we will edit the image. Let's jump on to Picsart and let's open the image. First of all, we will go on to Picsart, edit a photo. I will not go into much or into detail. We will go with like this image. And now what I will do, after loading our image, on the bottom you can see, just scroll on to right and you will see text option and add photo. We will not go with text because we have already created our text. So we will add a photo, right? We already created our text. And in this, after clicking on add photo, you will see the option with gray background. We are not going with the gray background because we have already removed our background, right? It was white text there so that it will not look. So the middle one is the main image. You can see this is the main image. I will click onto it and click on to add. On top right, you can see, just click on to add. Our text is here. So we will just increase our size and like, let's just adjust it, something like this. We will just adjust it. And now what I will do, I will just start erasing. For erasing, first of all, I will lock this image because locking is important. It will start moving. So click onto the layers on the right and just lock onto drive text. You can see our text layer is now locked. Now what I will do is that I will just click on to erase. On top you can see there is an erase option. Just click on to erase and now we will just erase what is over my hand. So just zoom in and erase. On bottom you can see there is option select, restore, erase and invert. What I will do, I will click on to erase. Okay, now I will start erasing. So now that as you can see guys, I have already erased most of the part, but one mistake I did is that on the V it got erased a lot. Don't worry, on the bottom you can see there is a restore option. Just click on to restore option, zoom in as much as possible and just restore it. Something like this. So now that as you can see guys, this is our final edit, and yes, we are done with our editing. I will not go in much of the detail editing because I will be already covering each and every topic in detail. So for today's video, I just wanted to talk about the Phonto app, on how you can get unlimited fonts and how you can install Phonto app, on how you can use it. So this was a tutorial for Phonto, and yes, that's it for today. And yes, I will be back with more and more videos as well and cover each and every app in detail. So that's it for Phonto app today, and yes, I hope so guys you like this video, and yes, I will see you soon guys for the next video. Till then, bye guys, love you guys.